In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the BambooHR domain. Now, there's a few ways to do this. The first one is if you're signed into your dashboard, you want to look at your link in your browser up top over here, and this over here is going to be your domain, okay? So if I click on in here, this part is my domain, so something.bamboohr.com. Now, yours is going to be a bit more normal than mine over here because I do have a trial demo account over here, as you can see, so that's why it's a trial something. But of course, if you have your real account, it's going to be like something.bamboohr.com. Now, if you are signed out and for example you got locked out of your account, you forgot your domain, you want to go to the login page, which usually pops up automatically when you sign out, and over here you can see it says enter your BambooHR domain to log in, and here you can find your BambooHR domain. So one of mine used to be instanthowto.bamboohr.com, which of course is a domain, and if you click on what's my domain over here, you can also find it over here, kind of a guide. So it's this thing up here, okay? That's the second way. But if you got locked out of it and you forgot it and you can't possibly get back to it or remember it, you could also go ahead and ask a colleague or HR. So you could just go ahead and basically ask someone in your company to tell you what the domain is, because if they're signed in, they'll be able to see it up here and you can then sign back in. Or you could go to the top right on your browser, click on the three dots and go into history, which is over here. So next to history, you want to just click on that and go into your search history, find the domain in there, because if you ever were logged in on your browser, you'll be able to find it in there, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.